Have you got any brothers or sisters? Have you got any brothers or sisters? Have you got any brothers or sisters? Yes, I have. My brother's 22 and my sister's 16. Yes, I have. My brother's 22 and my sister's 16. Yes, I have. My brother's 22 and my sister's 16. Is it for free? Is it for free? Is it for free? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Which sports does he play? Which sports does he play? Which sports does he play? He sometimes plays golf. He sometimes plays golf. He sometimes plays golf. Can I help you with something? Can I help you with something? Can I help you with something? Yes, I'm looking for a t-shirt. Yes, I'm looking for a t-shirt. Yes, I'm looking for a t-shirt. When do you get back? When do you get back? When do you get back? On the 24th. On the 24th. On the 24th.
Thanks for watching the video.